Very good morning, all of you. Today I very important tips giving to you. That who suffering from CVS, computer vision syndrome. This is the very important for eyes. How to say that who most of the time sit on computer, laptop, tablets and all the IT sector modalities, working men, women, lady, youths, all of you. Very important tips for you from naturopathy. That who suffers CVS, every day you have honey water in the morning, empty stomach, and mung sprout in the season July, August. Only mung sprout you have 3 times, morning, afternoon, evening. This is the very effective result in your CVS, computer vision syndrome. So I request to you, you add honey and sprout and prevent your CVS problem and share me good result. Thank you very much.